ሰላም ቤተሰቦች በስሜ አብደላ እጠራለሁ። እኔ ዛሬ መልእክት ማስተላለፍ የፈለኩት እኔ ስራ ጅምላ ቦታ ነው የምሰራ ማለት የምፈልገው ትሬድ ዩኒየን ኦርጋናይዜሽን በጣም ተጠቃሚ ነው። ጓደኞቼን የተጠቀሙበት ስላየሁት እኛም አንድ ላይ በትሬድ ዩኒየን እንድንመጣ ነው የምፈልገው። እንደዛ ችግሮች አንዱ በርካሽ ሲሸጥ አንዱ ደግሞ ውድ ሲሸጥ እንደዛ ችግር ሲገጥም ትሬድ ዩኒየን ኦርጋናይዜሽን የኛ ስም ይሆናል። አንድ በግሩፕ ሆነን እንደዛ ችግር እንድንጠቀም ነው የሚላቸው። ለዛ መንግስት ይሰማናል እንደዛ ችግሮች ለዛ እንደዚህ ነው የሚላቸው። ሰላም።
You don't have to face these challenges alone. Across Africa, in markets, farms, factories, mines, classrooms, hospitals, and offices, workers are rising together. The power to change your work life is in your hands. Join thousands of African workers who are standing up for fair pay, safer workplaces, and dignity at work. Take the first step today to find a union that can protect you, fight for your rights, and build your collective power in your country and sector. To speak directly with an organizer for guidance, WhatsApp or call ITUC Africa +2 287 005 9999. Or scan the QR code on your screen now to be connected to the right union in your country and sector through the guidance of an organizing representative of ITUC Africa, the African regional organization of the International Trade Union Confederation. Follow and join the movement across our social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, X, and YouTube. Search for ITUC Africa to stay informed and connected. Stay updated by joining our official WhatsApp channel, also called ITUC Africa. Together, we can secure better pay, safety, and respect for workers across Africa. Together, we rise.